Some of the most useful and time-saving features in Excel are the options to link data across worksheets. These features include working with 3D formulas. Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll explore how to link Excel worksheets together with three-dimensional links. The key to creating links to data in other worksheets within the same workbook is that a 3D formula requires that each worksheet contains the exact same type of data, such as a worksheet total in the same location for each worksheet in the 3D reference. Let's look at these examples for a moment. In all of this product information, these same labels appear in the same locations in each of these sheets. So if I move to the other ones, from north to south, or to east and west, not only do we see the same products, but we're also tracking the same type of information. In this case, quarterly data for each of these locations. So that's the key to building a 3D formula. Although there won't be as many applications for it, it still might be a great way for you to quickly be able to summarize information by building a different kind of link. Here's how you build a 3D reference. First, I'll move to our summary or master worksheet. Once again, this has the same structure as all the others. Next, we'll move to the first cell where we want to build the formula. This is going to be a sum, but it could be other types of formulas as well. We'll begin with an equal sum, open parentheses, and then I'll navigate to that first sheet, north, and click on that reference cell that's in the north sheet. In this case, that's cell B5. Now here's the trick. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last sheet in the range of the worksheets. Let go of Shift. Notice that they're all lit up or selected. So with this, we're saying that we want to do a sum from north through west of the data found in the cell B5. I'll press Enter to complete this formula, and let's look at the structure of what we just created. In this 3D formula, we're creating a sum of north through west. The exclamation mark separates those sheet names from the cell reference. When I pressed Enter, Excel automatically added the closed parentheses. Now, because this is a relative reference, we can actually copy this so we don't have to build it one at a time. And that's a really nice bonus. So I'll use the fill handle in the bottom right-hand corner, drag it down, and then drag across. To finish this, we'll add formulas for the totals. Now, we don't always have this particular luxury, but here's a bonus tip. For this, I'll highlight the range that includes not only the values, but the row below and the column to the right. Now simply press the Auto Sum button or hit the keyboard shortcut for sum, Alt equals. And Excel will populate those sum functions for all the places where we want to see totals. With 3D formulas, in addition to having the exact same structure, there's one caution you need to be aware of, and that is the range was north through west. And so if we are inserting sheets, deleting, or moving sheets, this can impact our results. For instance, if I move the south sheet to the right-hand side of west, the formula still is north through west, so the south sheet will be excluded. So any new sheets not only need the identical structure, but should fall within that specified range. How will you use 3D formulas to build calculations in Excel? In this K-Squared Tech tip, you've seen how to link Excel worksheets together with three-dimensional links. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.